What's up, guys? What is going on? Okay, so this morning I am doing a photo shoot, so I'm just getting all my gear ready. You know, I should really do this the night before, but I just have really bad preparation. You know, guys, I love the art of photography and videography, but the essentials that I need, it's just like a never-ending journey. You know, like the journey is just endless. Like you buy a lens and you think, okay, this lens will do, you know, like 35mm. That's good for portraits and like maybe some landscape. But then like you have like all these other lenses that are really good for different types of stuff. But to some of these guys, a lens is just a lens. But for other people who are probably into like photography or videography, lenses serve a purpose for different types of situations. Like for instance, we have a 50mm and a 35mm. These two lenses are the most common lenses to use if you're starting off photography or videography. But really, it's up to you guys. Which lens do you prefer? Okay, so the shoot I'm doing today is a product shoot, so I don't really need any wide angles at all. So I'm probably just going to stick to the 35 and the 50. Yeah, these two will do. Alrighty then. I think that's the bag all packed. Okay, so this morning I'm just going to do some editing and have this little coffee here. I'll do this for like 1 or 2 hours and then we'll find something to do. Guys, it's here. It's finally here. This is the DJI Ronin MX. Guys, I am so freaking excited for this, guys. I've been waiting for this for weeks. This here, guys, is going to take my videography to the next level. Sick! Sick! Okay, so let's see inside the box. I'm so excited. Okay, wee pouch for stuff. Pouch. And this must be the motor itself. These are the two handles. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's been half an hour and I've only made this much of progress. I've built the stand. Guys, so we're just at some rooftop car park here and we're doing a shoot for my friend Adrian. Remember him from one of my oldest vlogs ages ago. Let me fix my camera exposure. Adrian has gained twice the size since then. My friend Tim. Hey bro. So we just parked up the car, now we're walking to our next location. It's hella hot out here. I am seriously not dressed for this weather. Like, you have a tank top, but dude, I'm wearing a jumper now, like sweatpants, sweat bottoms. Sweat Yeezys. He's got them blue tint Yeezys. Guys, I used to go to Chinese school there. The funny thing about me being in Chinese school, I didn't really have much interest in it, which is why I got stuck into like, you know, 2nd grade 2 or 3 years in a row. That way? Which way? That way. Move that truck like it's like that. Patrick. These guys might remember Patrick from my recent vlogs too.
Very well, very well. Just about to revise in the library.
Okay. Well, it's good seeing you, bro. Plan change, guys. The museum was closed, the place that we were supposed to go to.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
And we're running pretty short for time, so I think we're just gonna call it a day.
Yeah, I was just saying to Ricky that I think Hugo looks like Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon.
What are you trying to say? Are you saying I should change my dog's name from Hugo to Toothless?
I think that's a good idea.
Oh, what is he? Sorry. Useless name, Hugo. Or big balls? Big balls. I got big balls and I can't not lie. What do we get tonight? You're not gonna have in a very way so that in your face you get sprung. We actually did not just do that. Like, we're waiting in traffic and we just freaked out.
Yeah, Ricky, I was just thinking there. I think I'd suit one of your earrings, the wee dangly ones. You know?
Then we'll look alike.
Come on, like, I dyed my hair first. And then you decided to dye your hair after.
I created you, like I bleached it. I made it like dude, like, okay, for instance, you would be the Powerpuff Girls and I would be the Professor. So I made you with Chemical X.
Yeah, Professor X.
Sugar, spice, these were the secret ingredient to create the perfect little boy. Then Sony, some blah blah blah, he added in chemical peroxide.
Guys, you should let us know whose hair is better. Mine or Ricky's.
Leave in the comment section, in the comment section, in the comment section, down in the comment section below. Missionary! 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 When she's on her back and I'm on top. Missionary! Hugo, what are you doing? Get out of there. Come on, get out of there. Hey boy. Soupside DJ. Hugo being greedy as usual. I'm just back at my parents' house here. I have a few things to do. Inside my car is so dirty and like, you know how it is. And whenever there's a lot of rubbish all over the floors and all that stuff, it starts getting annoying. Plus, I'm also uploading a video. It's the apartment I'm living in at the minute. We don't have internet. We're trying to get fiber optics sorted. Thumbs up for dedication of uploading a video. You know guys, in a weird way, I really do enjoy living in this house. You know, I have all my food and everything all cooked for me. My clothes washed and ironed, you know? Now, I'm resort to like doing my own laundry and cleaning the house all the time. I swear that dog is like a baby. A baby that masturbates all the time. But there's nothing wrong with that because he's my son. I love him. You guys play out there, they're so cute. Look at Hugo go. He loves them dogs. Normally small dogs would have small dog syndrome, but Hugo's raised to love big dogs. You know, it's really nice watching Hugo play with Mac and Mia, because most dogs don't like Mac and Mia because they find them really big and intimidating. But anyways, bear back, I'm gonna wash the car. All the junk I pulled out from the car, and I just cleaned my car last week. And also, someone reversed into my car the other day. Look at that dent. And here too. And they also broke my number plate. Yeah, I have a really unhealthy addiction to sugar-free Red Bull. So there's another thing I want to clear up. Some of you guys have watched my sister's vlog. You know, the one with the head basketball. Yo, put your head forward. You suck. And she mentioned about my birthday. Somehow you guys assumed I was 30 years old. I am not 30 years old. I'm 27. I'm not old yet. I'm still young, okay? Okay? Hey guys. Hello. Hello. What do you want? I'm gonna wash my car. I got the car cleaned. The video was uploaded and live. Come on, Gav. You're more set. You're doing well. If you rolled your shoulders more and pretend there's a pencil back here and you're ready to squeeze it like a penis. Yeah, like that. Like, yeah, that's nice. Sit back down. Like, squeeze my... Yeah, and move up and down.
Good man. Remember to get the full contraction, lean forward, spread your lats out.
Here, Gav.
Eh?
Ah! Oh. Ah! Here, Gav.
Yep.
Is it true that whenever you work out and you're pushing something heavy, is that like you're taking a dump face? Check your workout face. Guys, that's what Gavin looks like whenever he's taking a dump. Guys, so that's just us. Down to the gym there. You had a good workout, bro? Oh, it's warm out here. I'm just finished with the gym there. Oh, guys, I am so tired. I am so hungry today. Can't eat. Holy shit, is that cow in a row? Oh no, I know it. What is that? Where's he? Guys, I legit thought there was a cow in a row. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. I missed you so much. You miss me? You miss me? Yeah. Look at him. He's literally the most funniest dog in the world. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Yo, what's up, guys? I drink too much coffee. Okay, let's do a talk, guys. Oh man, guys, I broke my mic. But anyways, we haven't done one in ages, so let's talk. Okay, I'll start the topic in this one. Let's talk about people that don't like you in general. You know, it could be like work colleagues, you know, they're nice to everybody but you. Or maybe from a friend from the same group, but he just doesn't like you for some reason. 80% of the time, you'll know if someone doesn't like you by their vibes. So on the vibe, guys, unless you're really bad at reading people's vibes. So what if they don't like you? Like, it's not your problem. You know, I think the key thing is to realize that it's okay for someone not to like you. You know, it gets stringed down to a lot of stuff. Okay? For example, the way they're raised, or maybe like they don't like your humor, or maybe it's just down to jealousy. Maybe you have like a nice bonded family which they don't have or something. Or even like the clothes you wear. Like, it sounds stupid, but it's true. You know, it's happened to me before. Some guy just didn't like me because of the clothes I wore. Okay, so it was back in the day whenever I was an emo. Yep, your boy here was an emo. You know, I had like a super long side fringe, snake bite piercings. Yep, I was pretty emo. Hot. But yeah, there's this guy that generally did not like me because I wore skinny jeans. Bear in mind, skinny jeans back then were not in. You can only get it in the girls section in Topshop. So I actually had to get my sister to go into Topshop and get it for me because I was so embarrassed. How stupid does that sound? That is how some people's brain works. You know, it doesn't matter how nice you are or like how perfect your personality is. Not everybody's gonna like you. Like, I know that there's people that don't like me. I know, how weird does that sound? People not like me? It's hard to believe. It's really hard to believe. You know, because I couldn't care less. I'm not gonna change who I am just to try and make somebody like me. You know, if you spend your whole life trying to please everybody, it's a never-ending journey. The only person you need to like is yourself and only yourself. You know, mastering yourself and your mind is definitely a skill. But yeah, you're your own worst enemy. If you let other people control your feelings, you're forever gonna be their prisoner. Just don't be a people pleaser. You dig? So moral of the story is, people are stupid and have stupid decision-making ethics. Don't change who you are for other people. Love yourself with good vibes. It's all about the good vibes, guys. It's all about the good vibes. And finally, don't buy girl jeans. Okay guys, I got a brilliant idea. Okay, guys, hear me out. It's Tuesday, and you know, we're talking. Well, why wouldn't we make a day of this? I don't know, like Talk Tuesdays. We'll make like a every week thing. Okay, so this is how it works. You guys message in the comment section below on what you want to talk about next week, and we'll talk about it. Brilliant idea. I actually can't believe I thought of that. But yeah, let me know what do you think of that idea. And maybe we'll make a day out of Thursday too, like Teach Me Thursdays. Okay, so every week you guys message in what I have to learn every Thursday, and I will try it, succeed or fail. At the end of the day, it's a win-win situation. I get to learn stuff, you guys get the entertainment and watch me do stuff. Hopefully not dangerous stuff. It could be like baking a cake or like, I don't know, try backflip. But I don't know. I'm sure it'll be really good entertainment for you guys. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you think these two ideas are good ideas. Let me know. Yo guys, check it out. It's built. It's finally built. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you love the videos I make, subscribe. Peace. Love yous guys.